Hello guys, so in this video we are going to talk about two things. So first we will discuss about that what we can do right with this scorecard, and then after we will discuss about that what is the process of TCS and Q2 interview. Right, so there are many students who are getting some problem related to that interview, so we will discuss about it. So first of all I want to show you this email, the email I have received from TCS ION in 3rd November. In this email you can clearly see that they mentioned that what we can do with TCS and QT score. Right, you can see that they have mentioned that for those who have completed exam, be informed the result processing in process and will share NQT score within a week. Okay, then after this send email result after too many times day, so we will inform this complete status our email once the score are ready. So they said you can apply for job to these companies using the link below. Your job eligible will be and direct to company. So it means it's clearly mentioned that what we can say that we can use our TCS and QT score for applying in these two companies, because TCS also going to take going to give job related using this NQT, but they also mentioned two different companies, that is Chroma and Titan. But when I have open this two link, I didn't find any appropriate job related to technical in this two those two company pages, because we have given TCS and QT for technical role like software developer or software trainee. But if you will see here, they have salesman or something, like they are recruiting as a staff. So when I have clicked on this Chroma link, they open this website and here you cannot find anything. So I search and I click on this current opening. So last time in their current opening they also didn't see anything, but here in this current opening they mention this some contact name and some email related to this contact person. So I tried to contact with this this person related to that, because if you will see there is nowhere anything mention related to what will be the post for Chroma. It means that I think this all post related to be like salesman or any staff related job here. That's why they didn't mention anything. They just mention name of the person and email of that person and some location. So how we will go for our NQT score with this company, because we are not going to work as a a staff person in any any shopping malls or anywhere. We have technical students. So I think TCS is just making fun of us by giving these types of funny thing. So you can see that they have nowhere any mention related to any post or something. And same happen with this career option at Titan. So if you will see that at Titan they have given this link. When I open this link, you can see that this page is open. In this page also they nowhere mention any post or something. So when I click on this current vacancy, you can find that it's something worse, because they didn't mention anything. Here you can also see that in this page they have only 3 recruitment, only 3 opening vacancies. And what is the position for that? You can see that Karigar. Karigar, it means that mechanic, for we are using mechanic word for who is repairing cars, bus, motorcycle, vehicle. So in the same way, when anyone is going to work with dresses, so we can say that that is Karigar. So they are going to recruit karigars, and we are technical student, we are graduate with BTech, and we will work as karigar. They think like that. So they didn't mention anything. So they have all mentioned one thing. Another post is that talent escort, and I didn't find any specific information about it. When you will give an email and you will go next, they will say that input any all information, but you will not find anything related to post. What will be the post for this information? They are saying that input your CV. So I have uploaded a CV, and you can find that they also only saying that fill this information, but they didn't mention anything, anything special like this is for technical trainee or anything. So I think using this one, TCS is just making fun of us. So the next topic for this video is that in starting I have told you that that now TCS and right, TCS is taking interviews of many students. Many students have already given that NQT right interview, TCS interview, but there are many students who have right inviting list to giving interview. So there are many students whose interview is going to schedule today, but they're not able to give interview. So they have like given some questions and they are asking some questions. So just I want to reply that answer to related to that query. So just figure out that where was the I have saved that all the questions. So there was TCS NQT question answer 2. So here you will find that there are one student who is asking question related to this, right? They say that did anyone give TCS interview? Today was my interview in 3 to 7 slot, but they have not accepted my request in Microsoft team meeting. It means that they have right from TCS they send email to a student and a link for meeting link as Microsoft team, and the student need to join that meeting at the given time. But when they say that when they are right going to join that meeting, they didn't receive their accept request. So that's why they are asking. So and another right in that group they have another student who replied back. They said that I'm having like interview at 2 p.m. but before interview before 15 minutes they call me and they said that to get ready for interview. So this is the thing. So just I want to only you to say that just wait for the time whenever you will get appropriate time. It means that suppose your interview time is 3 to 4, right? So in last comment they mentioned 3 to 7. So at 3 just wait and just ping on right this meeting link, and if they will not respond you back, just revert them one email related to this situation, like told that sir, I am this one and I have tried to join meeting at same time, but there is no anyone who is going to accept my request for meeting. So and then after wait that what they will respond your for your query. And if right after some time if they will call and they ask for interview, then it's fine, go and give your interview. Otherwise just email them and told your situation, because remember if you will not give interview they will not take your interview again. So be prepared for that and be ready, right? So this is totally thing about this. In next video we will discuss about some interview questions that a student have right faced during their interview. So be right connected with us, and if you like, don't forget to subscribe and give like to this video. And if you have any query, please comment below so that I will try to solve your query. So thank you so much.